I would like to hear from you what you felt about the interview. What were your goods and bads as per you? Where were you lacking? What you felt?
Sir, actually, I was fumbling very much, and
Okay.
I fumbled very much. And second thing, maybe I was not that confident that,
Okay.
and yeah, but this was very needed session, and so now I know where I stand.
Okay. So Ashna, I'll tell you the exact feedback of what I felt from my side. Right. The first thing was your intro part. The intro part which you gave, that can be more precise, because in intro, what the thing is, that intro creates an impression to an
Right.
interviewer. Okay. In intro, you have to highlight your achievements, whatever you have done till now in colleges, in schools. Okay. So whatever you have achieved,
Right.
like you have to highlight things which you have achieved,
Right.
right?
Right.
So interviewer wants to know about you. If I'm interviewing you, so I want to know about yourself, what you have done till now, right?
Okay.
So it
Right.
should be more crispy, it should be more precise, right?
Right.
So you have to work on that part. Okay, you have to work on the intro part. Second thing, the fumbling part which you mentioned, that was mandatory, because you have to improve that part, because fumbling is a thing that gives a negative impact to a person, right? It's an impact to a person that it is like you're not confident enough to answer your questions. Okay.
Right.
Third thing which I felt is your answer can be more appropriate. You have to be more up to the mark. You are giving the answers. Okay. You have that zeal to give the answers. Okay. But confidence should be more like entitled. You should have more enough confidence whenever you speak things. Okay. And it should be more in a proper manner. Like if I am asking you something, a simple question, if I'm asking you, your answer should be exactly the same what I am asking. Right?
Right. Right.
It should be more precise. The answer should be more precise. Okay. That will help you grow. Like whenever you are giving an interview, that will definitely help you grow.
Okay.
Right? And in some questions you were blank. Like at the end, there was a question where you were blank. So
Right.
speak things. Don't be blank. Whatever you know, whatever is coming in your mind, speak things. If you go blank now, it creates a negative impact to an interviewer. Okay. So you have to try from your side to not go blank. Whenever you are speaking things, never go blank. Okay. If you think, tell the interviewer that I want a minute to think about this. Suppose if you feel that you have to collaborate things in your mind. Okay.
Right.
So tell the interviewer, okay, I want a minute time to think. So he'll give you the minute time. If you ask me to give a minute time, I'll definitely give you the minute time. Right? So you can collaborate things in your mind and then you can speak confidently. Right?
Right.
These are much needed things in you which should be improved. Okay. So have you even given the interviews before, like this particular before this interview? Have you even given the interviews in your colleges?
Yeah, for my field, I've given sometimes.
Okay. So how was your experience in that?
Yeah, I got selected, but
I got
selected ABP, but then COVID happened.
Okay, and then one more thing I would like to highlight, that whenever I ask you a question of competitors like Vedantu, White Hat Junior, okay. So one thing is that do not say that that is not good. There was a situation where you mentioned that Vedantu is not as good at Byju's. Okay, never compare things. Never ever compare things. Okay, tell them that Vedantu is a very good application. I have heard about Vedantu. It is a good application. But in Byju's we have 2-3 external benefits. You are paying the same amount of money every year. So in that particular amount of money, and in fact, in less than that, will give you more benefits. So like have some, like collaborate some features of Byju's, that we have adaptive learning. Do you know about adaptive learning?
No.
Okay. So I'll tell you, suppose if I'm asking you a question, that Rachna, tell me what is 1 + 1. Okay. And if you tell me it's 2, okay. So I know that your level is developed. So the next question which I'll give you will be more difficult. Okay.
Okay.
If suppose you are answering wrong for a question, okay, so level will decrease automatically. That is called adaptive learning concept. Okay. So as you are answering the question right, so level will increase. And if you are answering the question wrong, level will decrease. This is called adaptive learning concept. This concept only Byju's have as of now. So you can mention things. Byju's is having knowledge graph kind of thing, in which we'll show you the knowledge graph, whatever the child is studying. So how much he is growing day by day. So So we'll show you things accordingly. This is exclusive of Byju's. We have these things in Byju's only. So you can highlight the features of Byju's. Okay. So do not say that that they are bad or they are having a bad interface. Do not mention things like that. Just try them. Just tell them that we have more features. We have a parent connect application also. Vikas has highlighted thing that we have this application in which the parent can check the regular progress of student, that what he is doing in day-to-day life. Okay. So parent can have a regular check that is he studying every day, what is he doing in the application, if he is investing half an hour, 1 hour in the application, so what he has done in that particular span of time. Okay. This is exclusive of Byju's. We do not have in Vedantu this particular thing. Okay. This is Byju's exclusive. So you can highlight things like that. Okay. We have an app lock feature also, like in which you can lock the application. Like suppose if I mentioned about PUBG, right? I told you a question about PUBG. So you can tell one thing, that we can lock all the applications. We have a feature in Byju's where a child can lock, we can lock all the applications. He'll not be able to open even a single application apart from the study application. If he wants to use Facebook, Instagram, he cannot use that. If he wants to play a game on the tablet, he cannot play because we have that app lock feature. We can lock all the applications. So be rest assured, he'll not deviate, will not try to, or will not let him deviate his mind. We'll help him to study day by day and we'll help him to grow day by day. Okay. So highlight these features. And the convincing part, wherever you are convincing, it can be more appropriate. You were good at your part. The things which you mentioned, definitely they were good. As for the first interview, that is good. But the thing is, it should be more appropriate. It can be more convincing. Your tone can be more convincing. Okay. And have a smile on your face whenever you are giving an answer to a question. Because you have a good smile. That will definitely create a positive impact to anyone. Because see, if someone is asking you a question and if you are giving the answer with a smiling face, definitely if you are lacking somewhere also, that will cover up things. Okay. It create a positive, because see, many of the people don't have a very good smile. Okay. So for them, I don't recommend things, but you have a good smile. So that will definitely be a plus point whenever you're answering a question.
Okay.
So like add this thing in an interview, definitely it will help you to grow. Right? So whatever features you are having, so definitely try to highlight those. If you are having some bads, definitely you are having some goods also. So try to highlight your good in every interview. That will definitely help you grow. Okay. And the fumbling kind of thing, do not fumble. See, I am also a person, you are also a person. So we are discussing things over video call. Okay. So I'm not an alien that you are scared of me, or I can ask you some difficult question or different thing. Right? So try to take your time as you are speaking to your friend or to anyone, your relative. Okay. So try to make conversation like that you are having the interaction with your friend, your relative. Okay. Just as you speak to your friends, in that way only, take your time, collaborate things, take 1 minute. If you want, take 1 minute in every question. Whenever I'm asking you a question, tell the interviewer, I want 30 seconds time to recollaborate things. We'll give you the time. Okay. Then try to speak fluently and accurately. Okay. Because see, I'll tell you my experience, because I have taken many interviews. So I have the experience of these things. Whenever, like, if you are fumbling in every question, definitely your confidence will go down. So if you have some good answers also with you, you're not able to express the answers. Right? So that particular thing you have to improve day by day. I don't think, because see, many people are having this particular issue. So this is not a bad thing, but you have to improve day by day.
Right.
You have to be good when you are giving the original interview.